Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Nissan Sentra trunk. First, you'll find the primary trunk release button conveniently located inside the vehicle, usually on the driver's side dashboard or near the floor. This is your go-to method for quick access. Additionally, your Nissan key fob provides a remote option, allowing you to pop the trunk with a simple press of a button, which is super handy when your hands are full. We'll cover all these methods to ensure you can always access your trunk with ease. To use the interior release, simply press the button located on your dashboard or floor panel. You'll hear a click as the trunk unlatches. For the key fob, press and hold the trunk release button for about 2 seconds. This prevents accidental openings. Remember, for the interior button to work, your vehicle typically needs to be unlocked or the ignition must be on. These methods offer quick and convenient access to your cargo space, making your daily tasks a little bit easier. In an emergency, or if you're locked out, there's an internal emergency release. This small, often glow-in-the-dark lever is mandated by safety regulations and is usually found on the inside of the trunk lid. To use it, simply pull the lever firmly. This will unlatch the trunk, allowing it to open from the inside. It's a crucial safety feature, especially important for children, so it's good to know where it is and how it works, just in case. If your trunk isn't opening, first check for any obstructions around the latch or lid. Sometimes, items can shift and block the mechanism. Also, a dead car battery can prevent electronic releases from functioning, so ensure your battery has sufficient charge. If all else fails, the manual keyhole, if present, is your last resort. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.